Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, welcome to daily videos from ForexPeaceArmy.com. So today guys we will take a look at the Japanese yen because the scenario, the setup that we have started to discuss last week right now stands at the point where we should think about taking the position, because if you would like to take the short position in the Japanese, here is the moment that's very comfortable to do this. Of course it's just a game of the probabilities. But I will explain and show why this point where Japanese yen stands right now could be really attractive for those traders who are searching chance to go short. First, I would like to remind you that here in Japanese yen actually we have the long played game. It's based on the weekly pattern, and this weekly pattern calls it the Jordan-Napoli bearish grabber. So it has been formed here. It's almost a month ago. And this pattern suggested taking out of these lows. Using this moment, guys, taking a look at the weekly chart, pay attention to the current week and take a look that if market will close at the current levels or even slightly lower, we could get another bearish grabber. Yes, the major part of the week is still ahead, but just keep in mind this possibility and check this weekly chart and by the end of the week. So if we will get the grabber here, this minor grabber in turn will suggest the taking out of these lows. But if this will happen, it simultaneously will lead to completion of that grabber. So this is very important moment. So don't forget about this moment. On the daily chart, guys, we mostly are looking for 106.50 target because we suggest that this could become the butterfly, could be formed, and at the same time, we have uncompleted A, B, C tab pattern at 104.30 approximately. It's 1618 target, and also coincides with the 1618 of the butterfly. So currently, we will not dare to suggest that we will reach this level. So it's more extended. That's why, as the first target, we call to use 127 extension of the butterfly. In general, the grabbers suggest the taking out of these lows, but the fact that below 108 until the 106.50 would not have any reasonable strong support area. So this is relatively free space, and if market will break these lows, some stops should be triggered probably, and that will add more power, and market could reach this level just by the momentum of the taking out of the stops of the traders. And actually in all this mess, our major concern was about the entry point, so where it's more safe to take the position. Because as you know, it's obviously the market could move either up or down. So on last discussion that we have made on Friday, we have come to some conclusions based on the chart that we have in the 4-hour time frame. So first of all, we have recognized this large reverse head and shoulders could be formed here, okay? And as market hasn't quite completed this minor double bottom pattern when we have talked about recently. So market actually on Friday wasn't this consolidation. We said, take a look. This market mostly forming this bullish flag, and we think that another leg up should happen. This market should complete the double bottom pattern approximately around 112.25. This will be simultaneously the neckline of this potential reverse head and shoulders. And we said that probably the area around the completion of this multiple patterns, so at the neckline of the large reverse head and shoulders, the completion of the double bottom fib level, this will be a very comfortable area where you could think about taking short. Why? Because if even we suggest that these reverse head and shoulders will really hit the target and we will get some kind of the ABCD pattern, something of that sort, right? So it will suggest the bottom of the left shoulder will be somewhere at the same point, harmony, okay? And market even will show the 113.50 rally and complete this pattern. Our butterfly will be valid here, right? So because 113.50 stands inside of this major swing, and this will lead just the taking of the shape of the bottle, so it will become this manner, okay? So if even market will complete this head and shoulders pattern, it has to form first the bottom of the right shoulder, and this bottom will start to form right from the neckline area, right? So here market starts dropping. When the market, and if market, for example, if we'll take short here, and the market will complete this, the bottom of the right shoulder, we could move our stops to the break-even, and just what will happen. If market will fail with this head and shoulders and start dropping, so our butterfly will start to work, excellent. So we will have the riskless trade, and we'll just waiting for completion our profit objective. If market will start to form this ABCD, no problem. We will get the riskless trade, so we will out on the break-even stop, or just maybe you take some minor profit here. Doesn't matter. So what is matter is that you will get the clearer picture. So you will see that head and shoulder starts to work, and you will start watching area around 113.50 to take another short trade with the butterfly on a daily chart. So as you can see, this point is very comfortable to think about taking the short position, if of course you have the bearish view on the Japanese yen, and if you are searching for a situation to go short. Here guys, actually, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, you will see the market here could form another hand shoulder. So here's our butterfly that we have talked about. 127 target has been completed. Market here could form minor hand shoulders pattern, so, and showing the reversal out from the neckline to the bottom of the right shoulder of this larger pattern, right? So here it's difficult to say right now whether market will start dropping down right from this point, or after some minor retracement it still will show another leg to the 1618 extension of the butterfly. Because as you can see, here is the 200% extension hasn't been reached yet, and the fib level has been tested. So this is possible that market could show some minor bounce, so take it into consideration. If you would like to go short, your stop should be at least above all this resistance cluster, and above all targets that we have here, and of course above the 1618 extension. That's why, taking into consideration your risk management, you could wait, for example, for reaching of this area, or if you can't take the right now this far extended stop order, or you, for example, could wait when these hand shoulders will be formed and taking the position right at the top of the right shoulder. In this case, your stop will be closer because you could place it above the head. So as you can see, multiple scenarios here is possible. But in general, all these levels stands very close to the current situation. And from the daily point of view, from the weekly point of view, this difference is really very small. I mean, on our charts, 1618 extension is very small distance, taking into consideration the weekly scale or daily scale. So currently, actually, we could say that we stand at the point where you need to make the decision on this setup that we have just discussed. So as you can see, situation on the Japanese yen is really attractive and very interesting, and that's why I have chosen the Japanese yen right now. On other currencies, guys, on the Great British Pound, we also probably will take a look on the current week, because there we could get the free drive buying pattern very soon. On the euro currency, we are still waiting for a retracement that we have discussed in our weekly research. It stands on the way, but it hasn't reached the level that we have specified yet. So let's keep watching what we will get and think about the Japanese yen.